Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Assalamu alaikum. Summary of the Quran, one topic per page, juz number 17 in 5-minute series. We start with Suratul Anbiya, and this was revealed in 6 to 10 Nabawi. Anbiya means prophets. The surah starts with Akhirah, and it's mentioned at the end too. Proofs and answers to objections regarding Tawheed and prophethood are given in it. It mentions 18 prophets and says that they were human beings, they worshipped Allah, feared Him, asked Him for everything, they dedicated their life to da'wah and tazkiyah of people, and all of them are best examples for us. Pages 1 through 5. Time of account and reckoning is near, yet the disbelievers are heedless. Signs of Tawheed. The universe is not a play, Allah created it with a purpose. If there were two gods in the universe, the whole system would have gone wrong. Creation of skies and earth. Heavens and the earth were joined together, Allah separated them. He created everything, including mountains, paths, night, day, stars, etc. Mocking the Prophet ﷺ. The disbelievers used to say, "When will the punishment come that you promised?" Prophets ﷺ and books. Allah gave guidance to Musa and Harun. Now this blessed book, Quran, is sent. Earlier Allah had guided Ibrahim too. Here are topics from pages 1 through 5. Let's take pages 6 through 10. Ibrahim a.s. and idols. When the people did not listen to Ibrahim, he broke the idols except the big one. Note that Ibrahim was from them. He was not someone sent from another community to break the idols of a different community. Lut, Nuh, Dawood and Sulaiman alayhimussalam. Allah blessed all of them and helped them against their opponents. Ayub, Yunus and Zakaria alayhimussalam. He removed suffering of Ayub. He accepted prayer of Yunus in the belly of the whale. He blessed Zakaria with a son. Ya'juj and Ma'juj. Before the resurrection, Ya'juj and Ma'juj will wreak havoc on the earth. This will be followed by resurrection. Ending comments. Allah's righteous servants shall inherit the earth. Prophet Muhammad ﷺ is sent as a mercy to the worlds. He came with the message of Tawheed. Allah knows everything. He is above the shirk. Surah Al-Hajj starts here. Al-Hajj means pilgrimage. It was revealed towards the end of Makki period and beginning of Madani period. This surah talks about three groups: mushriks, true Muslims, and those Muslims who were weak in faith. Quraysh had stopped Muslims to enter Masjid al-Haram. In this context, Ibrahim, Makkah and Hajj are mentioned. The Muslims of Medina who were under attack from different directions were given permission to fight. They are reminded of their duties when they get power. Here are topics from pages 6 through 10. Let's pick a theme and an anchor. From 6 to 8, different prophets, and anchor is Ya'juj and Ma'juj. Let's take pages 11 through 15. Second life. If you doubt second life, look at your creation, your stages of life, at the earth which becomes green after every rain. Three types of people. First type, they argue about Allah without knowledge to mislead others. Second type, hang between kufr and iman. They are losers in both worlds. Third type, those who believed and did good deeds. Allah will enter them into Jannah. 6 and 2 groups. 6 groups are Muslims, Jews, Sabians, Christians, Magians, and disbelievers. Allah will judge between them on the day of resurrection. 2 groups are of disbelievers and believers. Their end will be different. Kaaba and Hajj. Allah told Ibrahim a.s. about the place of the house of Allah, ordered him to take care of it, and asked him to announce for Hajj. Animals of sacrifice are among the signs of Allah. When slaughtering them, mention the name of Allah, eat from them, and feed the deserving and the needy. Here are topics from pages 11 through 15. Let's take 16 through 20. Permission to defend. The oppressed Muslims living in Medina were allowed to fight in self-defense. Shaitan's attempt. When the Prophet ﷺ recited the Quran, Shaitan tried to create doubts in the minds of people. Allah thwarts Shaitan's attempts and guides the believers. Reward for migrant. This surah was revealed when Muslims were under attack. They were given permission to defend themselves as mentioned earlier, and those living outside Medina were encouraged to migrate. Signs of Tawheed. Allah has made everything on the earth and sky to serve you. He created you and will cause you to die, and then He will give you life again. 9 orders. O believers, bow and prostrate and worship your Lord and do good deeds. Strive for Allah, convey the message of Islam, establish prayer, give zakah, and hold fast to Allah. Here are the topics from pages 16 through 20. The theme is 14 and 15, Hajj, and 3 types of people on 12 as anchor. That's it for now. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.